Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Questrade have a checking account? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what a checking account is and why it's important. What is a checking account? A checking account is a type of bank account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money. You can also use your checking account to pay bills, make purchases, and write checks. Checking accounts are a great way to manage your money. They're easy to use, and they offer a variety of features that can help you save money and reach your financial goals. Why is a checking account important? There are a number of reasons why a checking account is important. Here are a few of the most important. It's a safe place to keep your money. Checking accounts are insured by the FDIC, so your money is safe even if the bank fails. It's easy to access your money. You can withdraw money from your checking account at any time using an ATM or by writing a check. It's a convenient way to pay bills. You can set up automatic payments for your bills, or you can simply write a check or make a transfer to pay them. It can help you save money. Some checking accounts offer features that can help you save money, such as interest-bearing accounts and rewards programs. Does Questrade have a checking account? The answer to this question is no. Questrade does not offer checking accounts. However, Questrade does offer a number of other banking services, including Questrade Cash. This is a high-yield savings account that offers a competitive interest rate. Questrade Bank. This is a full-service bank that offers a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and CDs. Questrade Visa Signature Credit Card. This credit card offers a number of rewards, including cash back on everyday purchases. So, what are your options if you want a checking account? If you're looking for a checking account, you have a few options. Open a checking account at a traditional bank. There are a number of traditional banks that offer checking accounts. Open a checking account at an online bank. Online banks typically offer lower fees than traditional banks. Use a prepaid debit card. Prepaid debit cards are a good option if you don't have good credit or if you're looking for a way to control your spending. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Questrade or checking accounts, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me.